Yeah, bust it up, we don't know say I'm better. Today I talk about the ghetto, you know the way things are going, it no right style. You know what I say? You ever had a friend that got pregnant at 15? You ever lost somebody to gang violence at age 16? You ever had all your homeboys just disappear, just got locked up in prison? This one's for you, man. The cycle continues. The ghetto is a state of mind you'll never get out until you realize you're in it. The ghetto is filled with fatherless children, babies born out of wedlock, bastards, kids growing up with only one parental unit is automatically faced with tremendous amounts of pressure and responsibility. These kids are often used as an outlet burdened by the stress of an insecure, immature, emotionally scarred, uncertain, inexperienced adolescent mother who struggles to survive and can barely make ends meet with her meager salary, which forces her to be at the low income, no benefit, degrading character consuming job, working extra hours trying to make up for that worthless lack of ambition, secondarily educated, misguided, low self-esteem father or baby daddy who is hesitant or reluctant in gathering his broken dreams. Such a frail mind, he retreats, concealing himself in a stagnant state of mind, lost in self-doubt or fear of failure that keeps him at bay from ever trying to accept his responsibility for himself or his child. These children's lives already being dismantled as they search for stability and struggle to find acceptance and to establish themselves in a pre-misconceived, fabricated society. For me, I knew my place, I knew who I was, which determines who I am, so I know who I'm supposed to be. I'm an entity engulfed in dreams, an inspiration, the source of my determination to live, to breed, to break free from the chains of society, driven by a mother's love. One of the strongest forces on this earth. I'm her purpose, I'm all she's worth. God's gift to the earth. This is the love we all hunger for. The only stimulus that we crave to the grave. Led blindly longing for that unconditional love. To plant the seed and watch it grow. An unseen energy to create, nurture and protect. To build a life together in terms of having an offspring or becoming man and woman in the matrimonial sense of the statement. In any aspect we all need love. Me, I love my poetry, and it all comes from you. Every day I wake up to see that the next man is also awake. I know there's still a reason, there's still something worth the struggle to keep on living. I desire you, likewise you desire me. Every day you inspire me, and the cycle continues. Yeah, pleasure, let it go now.